let's get into it. I have a new app, Proxy Pics, that lets you make money simply by taking pictures of real estate and property. Very simple process. I just got signed up, did a little quick training, and about to take you on my first job. But let's look at the website, show what it's about, and see how you can make some money with this. Who are in the insurance industry or in the property industry, they need pictures of property to judge if they're going to, raise the price on it, the condition of it before they sell it, things of that nature. But they're not always in the area, so they hire people like you, pay you a couple of bucks to go out and do insurance picks, lending picks, merchandise, single retail, family, for appraisals and things of that nature. And you can make money by accepting jobs and taking pictures. I got on by simply downloading the Proxy Pic app, and it was very simple. Get signed up. So not a whole lot of information on this site regarding the picture take, but there's a lot more information on the app. So let's go ahead and hop in the app, show you what it's all about, and how we making money with this. All right, come on. So we got here the Proxy Pic. Here's the route I'm going on. I'm going to show you me actually completing this picture assignment. It only needs one photo. It's paying $8 for this. Here's the address there. And you kind of see, it's only like 6 miles from my home. 5.7 miles, $8. Like I said, it took me about 10 minutes to take the picture, make sure I had good lighting. I was far enough away. It took about 5 minutes. I just took some extra pictures just to be safe. 15 minutes to get there. So 20 minutes worth of work for about $8. Not going to get you rich, but it's like I say, it's extra money. It's extra income. Something for you guys already driving around. You're doing gig economy. You're in an area that you're, not used to. That's kind of slow to get routes out of. You're in a state that's slow to get a route out of. If you're doing Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and it's slow right at the time, you can pop on this app and see, what's out there, or hop on this in the morning and then, do the rest of your stuff throughout the day. But it's kind of hard to batch these. These are more kind of one-off orders. The highest I've seen so far have been about $12. So that's that. With that, you got to go through like a little training session where it tells you, what to look for in the pictures. That took about 20 minutes to go through that training session, all through the app. So go ahead and download the Proxy Pics app and see, what it's all about. Like I said, the money goes to your bank account the very next day after you complete the job. So I'm going to show you me actually completing a job and make it work. Yes, sir. Boss up, man. Out here doing the Proxy Pic location. I'm at my location. You see the hood. You see the crib. You see me. You see the house I got to take a picture of. So I'm out in the middle of the street with it. Make sure I don't get hit. So I got to get the whole picture of the house. There's a lot of trees and stuff in the way. But we're going to try to get it in, though. So take a front of the house and see what we got to do. Take a picture of this. And let's do it. So I got my new iPhone 14 Pro. Wow. Perfect. How many photos do I need? I don't know. It doesn't say how many photos I need. I got one and it started to act like I was done with the job. Not sure if anybody is in this house. Up there is a lockbox on it. So this looks like a vacant property. People just want to see the upkeep of it, make sure it's not burnt down or anything crazy happening to it. Take photo of entire front of the property. So I think I got a good photo of the entire front of the property. step back far enough. Had the wide angle lens on the camera, baby. This iPhone 14 Pro. You see these 3 camera things. So yeah, this is a cool little gig. Like I said, it's only $8. It was 6 miles away from my house. It took about 10 minutes to get here. You know, this took what, 2 minutes to do. Nice little paperwork, you know. Might have to type into this. I'm gonna make sure this goes through and make sure there's nothing else I need to do with the app. So I'm gonna hit the button here, and it's uploading. 0 errors. I'm gonna say done. Yeah, it say 101, so it only needs 1 photo of this address. So there it is. I'm actually gonna take some more pictures just personally on my end. I'm gonna take a couple of more just in case I leave and they say those photos are not good enough. I'm still gonna have a couple of more photos I can submit. And let's do this real quick. And then once I had these saved on my phone, so that they say the photo wasn't good enough, I can do another one. So there we go. Boom, boom, boom. We got some extra pics. Always CYA, that's cover your when you're doing any gig, any job for people. People will say, you know, the app might glitch. They may say they didn't get the pictures or whatever. Can you go back out there? Whoop de whoop. Always CYA. All right. That's how you do proxy pick. That easy. $8.